dirt. Pretty good, right? I've seen you drive. Are you better than, let's say, a dirt bike? Okay, but are you better than 4 dirt bikes? Alright guys, this'll be easy. Just don't miss the checkpoints and let's go.
We just lose yellow. Coming up on the quarry.
Woohoo! Hey Blue, got the needle with me. Red's down, red's down.
Looks like I'm the only one left.
Don't worry about it. If I tell these guys to run it again, they'll be overjoyed.